What's up, y'all? As you can see, they're doing construction on my street. So today we have diagnostic trouble codes. Yeah, this car got a check engine light for, I don't know, a few reasons. Let's check and see what's going on with this car. Oops, sorry. Alright, so if you never, first and foremost, you gotta have a scanner. I bought this scanner for like $10. You get one of these for cheap, eBay, Amazon. It's a basic scanner, nothing fancy. Give you basic codes why your car's acting retarded or why the check engine light popped on. So to check your car, you gotta put it in the ACC mode, or the on position, to where all the lights on the dash come on. Take this, plug it into your reader, which is underneath your car under here. It's the OBD2. Yeah. Plug it in like so, and voila. Hit enter, and let's see what's going on. What's going on? Okay, so you see it says DTC, which is diagnostic trouble codes 2. Fault 2 pending 0. P1491 P0507. So P1491 P0507. So what you would do is you take them codes and you Google them for your car. This is a Nissan Altima, so I would Google Nissan Altima P0507, and it'll tell you what's wrong with it, what's causing it. With the other one, I Google Nissan Altima P1491. Well, I would Google 2003 Nissan Altima P01491. So let's Google it and see what the issue is. Turn my phone on. And while you're Googling and everything, if you got the codes and you're done with the codes already, take your car out of the on mode, because this will kill your battery. And if you got an older car and you ain't got the newest battery or the strongest battery, you'll end up stranding yourself. Don't ask me how I know that. So this battery's pretty decent, so I can sit here for a few minutes without worrying about the car dying. And I'm across the street from where I got all my stuff at. I got tools and jump packs and all that across the street, so I'll be alright if this battery was to die. And I got jumper cables, so I could get somebody to give me a jump. Alright, so we Google what's that? P1491. Yeah. If this phone will ever come on. Alright. Nissan Altima 2003. 2003 Nissan Altima P1491. Oh. Go. P1491 and your Altima indicates a malfunction in the EVAP emission control system. EVAP. Specifically with the vacuum cut valve bypass valve. This valve controls the vacuum applied to the fuel tank and can trigger the check engine light if it's damaged, clogged, or incorrectly installed. While the code may not cause immediate driving problems, it's recommended to get it checked by a mechanic to prevent potential future issues with emissions control and fuel efficiency. Alright, that's minor. So that's P1491 for a 2003 Nissan. Now what was the other code? P0. Wait, let's do it right. 2003. 2003 Nissan Altima. P. What is it? 0507. Let's double check, y'all. Yep, 0507. Okay, go. The diagnostic trouble code P0507 and the 03 Altima indicates an issue with the idle air control system, which regulates the engine's idle speed. Here are some potential causes: faulty idle air control valve, vacuum leaks, dirty throttle body. If you're comfortable with DIY car repair, you can try cleaning the throttle body yourself. However, it's recommended to consult a qualified mechanic for a proper diagnosis and repair. Alright, 2 minor codes. I'm happy. I believe this car does have probably has vacuum leaks because some of the hoses is hard as wood, so they're probably leaking. And this car is old, super old. So yeah, that's how you check your diagnostic trouble codes and check engine lights and everything. Simple, easy, nothing hard. Please shut up. But yeah, so 2 minor things. I'll probably get to it in the next video. But thanks. Stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe.